Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One day last week, my daughter came home from school ranting and raving about a cover teacher she'd been subjected to that particular day. As I was trying to find out exactly what the problem had been with this particular teacher, she basically said, the problem is he's just so arrogant. He was so full of himself. He clearly really thinks he's it. If you say that somebody really thinks they're it, you basically mean that they think they're better than everybody else, and probably that they need taking down a peg or two. They need to be brought back down to earth a little bit. So maybe you might have a friend who does very well in a test and this goes to her head. And so you complain to other friends saying, just because she got top marks in the test, she's walking around like she's it now. She really thinks she's it now. Or maybe someone you know got promoted and they're boasting about it. And again, you might complain. He just keeps on bragging about his new job like he's suddenly somehow the CEO of the company or something. He really thinks he's it. And maybe there's a particular guy who you find a bit unpleasant, a bit creepy, but who seems to believe that he's somehow God's gift to women. And you might complain again saying, God, that guy, he's just so gross. He's so cringe, but he really thinks he's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, or your teachers. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use somebody thinks they're it